Hi everyone, today Wednesday and we're going to SM City Clark. Shira already in SM, waiting for me. Sorry, I'm not filming maybe 1 week because I feel not good after we've been in the mountain in the Bataan. So cold in Bataan, that's why not go outside and need recovery. In SM so many people right now. Take a look. Many people here. We're planning to buy some souvenirs for Christmas because now discount. Already long time discount in SM Clark. Everywhere discount. And also we want to buy some foods in hypermarket. SM hypermarket. Yeah, many people now. SM City Clark, always many people. Makimura ramen. And Shira waited me на carousel. We going to SM Clark together, but she won't go to CR first. Take a look, holidays. Midnight sale. Макдональдс. Макдональдс so busy. I want to find Shira. She said near carousel. This is carousel, meeting place. In carousel. I don't know why actually. Don't have Shira, I don't know where. Maybe in CR so many people. Okay, I can wait here. Oh, Shira. Hi, Shira.
So many people there.
Where so many people?
Inside SM department store, CR, even in the top, so many also. I've been there.
Maybe in CR also maybe.
Yes, so many really. That's why it's not easy for me before, and we need to wait for how many minutes.
Shira, what you're planning now in SM Clark?
Maybe I will find some gift for my cousin because I have some Christmas party this 21 and gift for that, and you promised to my young sister baby this Christmas have gift also.
Shira, what you bought? Bag? For who?
For my what is this Christmas party?
For Christmas party?
Yes, the Christmas party.
So what you need to buy more?
For young sister baby and dad.
Okay, let's go. Not easy to choose. So you don't know, Shaira, what
I don't know, for you, for my young sister baby, I don't
for 5 years old girls?
or better, but like some makeup, because she like makeup also.
Makeup, for makeup also. So first eat and later we can find again. Sport, Nike, discount. Sorry, I cannot talk good. Yeah, maybe in Miniso available. Okay, Shaira, I wait you here. Oh, Miniso, so many people inside. And Pukashir. Everywhere. Many people. Not easy to find?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to eat first.
What do you want to eat?
First need to find table, Shaira. If have table, we can eat here. Bulalo, do you want bulalo?
That's okay.
Huh?
Same pork with rice on extra rice on it.
Yes.
Ngayon, babalik na sa kinap.
You try. Good.
But for me, good in better in San Fernando.
San Fernando Beta.
Yes. Right. You want vegetable or not?
Shaira, need to buy
My dad
cat
also
foods.
like that, this one.
What? Guitar?
He like guitar, but same guitar.
Yeah.
He like this guitar. Yeah, before guitar, but lost only.
He know how to play?
Yes.
I have so many. You can ask how much. Don't have. Okay, don't have cashier.
Decathlon also has cheapest rocks.
Интересен Christmas tree. Hi. Pet Express. Here, good price. Thai tuna. Oh, this is popular. Buffet. Shaira, let's go. Oh, Japanese barbecue. Japanese barbecue full. So many people inside. I waiting for Shaira in Coffee Bean. I not expect Coffee Bean have in the second floor in the same store. The same store where I can buy cat foods, dog for animal foods, and also for children clothes. And Shaira now in the line. So many people in the line right now. I wait maybe already 20 minutes seat. So many people today. What you bought?
It's for young sister baby. We promise.
And another.
This one, it's for Chinchi gift.
For your father?
No, it's another. So my father don't have yet.
Okay.
And mother. So in this video, you see that SM Clark are so many people right now and so busy, and it's not easy to go to cashier because so many people who buy from another place also, and it's also sales, and most of people right now are going here in SM Clark because don't have work and don't have school. That's why they take or they bought some or buy something here in SM Clark. And thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Balik tsaka po kami kayo bakit?